What's up, everyone? King Senko here. I know it's been a while. It's been a while in between our videos, but today we just decided to go out, use Project Tosgas out in the wilderness. Makita nyo kung saan kami pupunta, no? Pero for now, we are stopped by the side of the road dito sa Marilake because we just want to make sure that our engine temp is okay. Come with me. Check natin. So this place, malapit na to dun sa truck ni Coach Mel, no, sa KRB. Just wanna make sure na okay ang lahat. Very good. Okay lahat. So just wanna make sure of that bago tayo magpatuloy, and off we go. Okay, in this video, nothing too technical, no. We did not bring our big cameras for this. We just wanna go out, reconnect with you guys. We want to basically shake down Project Tosgas with his current specs. Medyo mag-off-road tayo ngayon. That's the plan. Wala namang problema si Tosgas ngayon. We're not, kumaga hindi pursado yung sasakyan. Our engine temperature is optimal right now. We did not bring too much item with us. Sakto lang yung timbang ni Tosgas. Dalawa lang kami dito sa sasakyan. Take note, we wanna go camping of some sort, but we don't have the proper camping equipment apart from maybe a couple of camping chair. Yun na yun. May mga Raptor box lang kami dyan, cooler para sa mga pagkain namin for today. All we have with us is our will, kumbaga. It's unusual for us to go out this early in the morning. Hindi kami nag-shoot ng ganito kaaga. Usually it's afternoon for us. But since hindi naman talaga shoot to, we just wanna go out. Alam niyo na, medyo marami rin kasi medyo marami nangyayari sa buhay-buhay namin ngayon especially for myself personally, which is why I want to take this time to pause, just be with Project Tosgas, use it as intended, kumbaga i-offroad natin ng konti. Yung route natin was given to us by our good friend Jonas from Busted Knuckles. Sabi niya, light off-roading lang, kayang-kaya kahit wala kang winch, kayang-kaya kahit wala kang backup vehicle, makakapasok, makakalabas. Hopefully, wag umulan ngayon para ma-enjoy naman namin tong araw na to. And may konting river crossing daw, so tag along with us. We'll give you an update pagka nandun na kami. Bago kami tumahak sa mga off-road areas, mahalaga po itong ritual na inyong nakikita sa ngayon. Dahil naka-manual locking hub si Project Tosgas, huminto muna kami para pihitin ang hubs niya manually. Diyan na nga natin mapapagana ang 4x4 Super Select natin matapos yan i-turn on o i-lock. Nung naka-engage ng hubs at naka 4 high na tayo na setting ng transfer case, pinakiramdaman naman natin ang gulong. Diyan na nga kami nagbaba ng air pressure dahil matagtag na papasok sa trail. Ang pagbabawas ng hangin ay ang susi sa mas komportable na pag-traverse sa mga off-road sections na inyong nakikita ngayon. Well, obviously, dito sa trip na to, nag-off-road kami ng bahagya. Perfect time na rin to, kahit wala tayong intended na technical shoot, technical editing. Well, we would like to still take the chance to review and test our RT tires from Radar, no? Right now, as we speak, it's working really hard. A few minutes more of driving, dumating na kami sa pinakahihintay kong part ng drive na ito, ang river crossing. Ang saya, ika nga ni Jonas ng Busted Knuckles, nasa natural habitat si Project Tosgas. Basic Nag-explore din kami sa mga ahon-ahon na part ng matataas na bahagi nitong lugar. Kumbaga, tinesting lang namin ang performance ni Tosgas sa ahon. Gusto ko rin kasing makita kung tataas ba ang engine temperature ni Tosgas sa mga ganito katarik na ahon. At masaya ko pong inire-report sa inyo na pasado at maning-mani ito kay Project Tosgas.
Matapos magliwaliw sa mga hindi pamilyar na lugar, bumalik na kami sa planado naming waypoints. Lusong-lusong, tampisaw-tampisaw, and boom! Nakahanap din kami ng camping spot. Well, camping spot may be too generous of a word.
And this is pretty much us. This is out here somewhere in Santa Ines, and we did not plan anything. Lahat, parang spontaneous lang to. The radar performed really well. As you can see, sobrang hindi planned. Wala nga kami sa isang campsite. We're just by the river there. Then mga ATV. It's a really famous activity here. Tapos may mga campers din naman. Campsite sa paligid natin. But for us, okay na kami dito, I guess. Feedback about the radar, they performed well. These are the RTs. Again, we aired down for, I don't know, hindi ko alam kung anong karga na ng gulong natin. Pero 7 seconds akong nag-release. That's from 29 PSI. Hindi ko na alam gaano tayo bumaba. Pero that's kind of the sweet spot. The sidewall, hindi ako nag-aalalang mapunit. Actually, kasi matibay yan 10 ply yan But the thing, diba? Really, apart from the tire review na ginagawa natin ngayon, we're just out here to enjoy. We're out here to actually, alam mo, sobrang enjoyment lang talaga yung gusto ko dito. I even brought my cigar stash with me. Magsisigar lang ako dito. Susubok ako magpalipad ng drone just to see what's around us. I did this before on a motorcycle on one of my adventure bike reviews. A couple, actually, hindi lang siya isa. Been here pero hindi ko na-enjoy dahil lagi ako nagpapadali, lagi akong time constrained. Now, I can sit back and I hope my cameraman is ready to eat something cold. Dahil wala kaming baon na mainit, wala kaming kalan. Hindi ito katulad ng ibang mga overlander na, alam mo yun, yung kumpleto sa may mga ref sila, may mga cooper sila. Dito wala. What that looks like. Kagabi, naisip ko lang walang mabibilhan dito ng mga fast food. Walang drive-thru dito. So, bumili ako ng something sa Korean restaurant. Kaya sinasabi ko, I hope ready si cameraman kumain ng malamig dahil ito na, babanatan na namin to. Tara, cut mo na yan.
Uulitin ko lang po, wala po kaming proper overland equipment. Camping chairs and a bunch of cold food inside a cooler box, drinking water, some mobile camera gear, and a lot of will and determination lang ang baon namin. Huwag ninyo po itong gagawin kung hindi pamilyar ang isang lugar sa inyo. You don't want to be stuck on your own without the proper equipment. In our case, we risked it all. For what? Well, hindi rin namin alam. For relaxation maybe. And yes, for that photo na ma-upload namin sa mga social media namin. Nice. Huwag ninyo pong tutularan yan at mag-prepare po kayo properly kung balak ninyong mag-overland. Which is a good topic for another video. Next time, magandang gawan ng video yung ano-ano nga ba ang dapat dalhin kapag mag-overland. Thankfully, kahit kulang-kulang ang overland equipment namin, ay maganda ang performance ni Project Tosgas. Salamat din sa Radar Renegade RT Plus tires namin na no complaints whatsoever sa mga road trips at maging dito sa off-road environment na may makailang river crossing pa sa mabato na mga ilog ng Santa Ines. Shame. Sa part na ito, maging ang tuwalya, wala akong baon, kaya hindi ako nakaligo sa ilog. Mabuti pa si cameraman may baon at nakapag-unwind siya sa ilog. Nagsigar na lang ako sa Gedli habang pinapanood siyang lumutang-lutang. Ayan o. Matapos naming makuha ang mga shots na pang-upload sa mga SOCMED namin, we decided to pack it up bago pa dumilim. Masaya naman at nakapag-unwind kami. Personally, mas nakapag-calibrate ako ng mga plano para sa mga susunod na video natin para dito sa channel. Dahil totoo naman na medyo tumagal ang mga in-between ng uploads namin at magmula ngayon ay gusto namin itong dalasan. Pasensya na po, marami lang po talagang nangyari sa personal life ko at maging ni cameraman. Kaya ako nga siya sinama dito eh. With that, we thank you for your patience and your support. We will be back with more contents for you to enjoy at abang-abang lang din po dahil magkakaroon ng bagong sapatos si Project Tosgas. Speaking of that,
This is us 1 month after naming mag-trail gamit si Project Tosgas. You might be wondering, anong ginagawa namin dito? Well, we are here in Potopots, Bacoor, Cavite. Natuklasan namin to dahil yung nakabili nung old dreams natin na teardrop, ito yung business niya. This is a car wash, like 4 or 5 bays na car wash. Meron pang Quago Cafe. Can we show that? Yung Quago Cafe, it's here in Bacoor, also in Tagaytay. matatagpuan yan. At may mga branches pa, balita namin na magbubukas. Ngayon, if we may focus our attention here, this is our rims. Teardrop rims with our Radar Renegade RT Plus tires. Tall and thin. This used to be a trail rig, no? May malapad na fender flares to. The bumper is for the flared Gen 2 short wheelbase. But now, the owner have decided to make it classic. Parang yung dating ni Project Tosgas before. Bagay na bagay naman dun sa sasakyan. Mataas na yung tindig niya. And tall and thin fits the build really well. This is a 4D56 unit, automatic transmission. Nag-retire na to sa trail, kumbaga okay na siya dito sa city use, okay na siyang pang leisure drives na lang ng owner. Now, for us, with Project Tosgas, if I may go back over here, medyo sa scrap na natin yung plano natin na magtanggal ng fender. Hindi na natin gagawin yung non-flared look, which is exactly what this example is like. This is an original non-flared unit. May original na teardrop rims and with HT tires. Ganyan talaga kasi yung build na gagawin natin dapat. Pero, since a lot is happening in my personal life, no, our priorities tend to shift at ginawa na natin yung pinaka-sensible na gawin kay Project Tosgas ngayon, which is kumpletuhin na yung build without spending that much. Pinanindigan na natin yung fender flare niya. We ended up with a new rim. If you wanna see what the new build looks like, I suggest you stay tuned. Sa susunod namin na video, i-reveal namin kung ano yung bagong rims ni Project Tosgas dahil, syempre, ikikip man natin si Project Tosgas, gusto natin meron pa ring angas, no? Apart from the car wash and the cafe, if you may go with me dito sa part na to ng garage, meron din ditong mga classic motorcycles and classic cars for sale, no? A few example is this sprint vehicle, Super Beetle. Anong kinaiba ng Super Beetle sa mga normal na Beetle nung gantong edad? Well, the Super Beetle has a curved windscreen. If you know your Beetle, you know. And also, may mga example din gaya nito. Morris Mini, and as you can see, napakagwapo. I'll keep talking, no? Pero sasakay ako. Kung kayo naghahanap ng project car, new car, toy car, this is the place to visit. Baka dito nyo na ma-score yung pinakabago nyong kotse. Ako man, nagulat ako. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nagugulat na kasya ako sa Mini Cooper. Yung mga Briton nga na mas matatangkad pa sa atin, kasya dito. In the meantime, before we go back to our trail video, if you wanna check out the place, narito po yung address dito sa Autopots at sa Quago Cafe dito sa Bacoor. And this is the address for their Tagaytay branch. So, back to the show.
Stay tuned din po dahil may bago kaming sisimulan na channel na mas malawak ang talakayan.
If you want to learn more about the Radar Renegade RT Plus that we are using here sa Pajero, again, wala naman talaga sa intention namin na mag-review niyan, no? Sinabay lang namin because we first and foremost want to unwind. But again, if you want to learn more about that, we've got a detailed review about that. Link somewhere in this video. We have reviewed from the installation up to the full breakdown ng mga specs ni Tosgas, kumbaga yung current specs niya ngayon. We'll see you guys on the next video.